Shirley told me on Facebook that President Obama's health care laws forced her husband's company to lay off many of their employees. How helpful is that, Shirley asked. Well, Shirley, you're exactly right. This health care law has forced employees to lay off people. It's forced them not to go above the 50 employee level to where the real penalties kick in. It's forced them to decide that they don't want to have full-time workers in the future. And more importantly, it's made them think about unknown health care costs. This causes companies to lay off some employees, maintain coverage for others. Companies, by the way, could also, and I believe will also, choose in many cases just simply to drop coverage for all employees and elect to pay the fine instead. According to the most recent report from the CBO, the Nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office, they now think up to 20 million Americans will lose their employee-sponsored coverage. And by the way, the cost of subsidizing those plans in the so-called insurance exchange isn't figured into the cost of this already way too costly bill anyway. There are going to be lots of things happen that nobody planned for, but if you'd have read this law, it was obvious, I think, from the very start that the current system will not work and not insure as many people in the future as it insures today.